Recycling hacks! Okay, what do we got here?
Okay.
We got a bottle and a broken leg.
To restore something.
And a heat gun.
Okay.
Alright, that looks pretty good.
Okay. Well, I think it works well.
I don't know if it'll last that long, to be honest. No, I wouldn't do that. I
I
wouldn't
think
do that.
it does.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm confident about it.
Okay. If you're confident about it, then I'm happy for you.
Thank you. I hope you tell them it's really good. Something like this.
Yes.
But
Okay, so we have this big bin. Alright. And we're making a table. A table.
what a weird table.
Yeah, I don't know how structurally, fine it's gonna be, but
It's a kicker.
Oh, it's a
Sure.
foosball! That's kind of cool. Oh my gosh, wow, that was a fast party.
This was this part, right? Okay.
Nice. Wow. What a natural party. Okay, so we have our broken wire here. Let's melt this plastic. Maybe not a good idea right in your hands, but okay.
Okay.
And just wrap it around there. It could be a little cleaner, but it looks alright. Yeah, why not?
Good work.
Secure the connection. Alright, so we have more bottles. And hole punchers.
And for what?
String, alright, what do we, this is like fishing wire. What are we doing?
For plants?
Ah, for art! For creativity.
That's it?
It looks kind of cool.
Ah.
For plants! Nice. Now it's cool.
Okay, now it's cool, right?
I like it.
Cool, cool.
Okay, we got this pokey thing in the bottle. Wow, what?
Wow. Do not create a mess.
Ah, okay, so when you're drilling holes, use the
This-
bottle.
That's smart.
I use
take it.
a dustpan, like the mini dustpans.
Yep.
When I'm drilling a hole, I put it underneath and then collect it
Yeah.
in the dustpan.
Okay.
And it works
Still useful.
just
but
basically the
anyway, the whole dust flying around, right?
No, but like the dustpan goes around like this and it collects.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, we got some string. Are we making more art?
Or
I don't know.
what happened? Ah,
It's for your umbrella.
Nice,
Ella,
clever.
hey.
Umbrella.
Yes. Okay, so we're ruining our bottle, getting some acrylic paint.
Look like a cinnamon.
Ooh,
Wow. Okay.
looks kind of cool.
Yeah. Definitely a piece of art.
Yeah. Nice. Love it. Like it, love it.
Approved.
Approved. Archie5 approved. Okay, so we got this bottle cap. We're cutting off the top. In the future, currency is going to be bottle caps.
You think so?
Yeah, a video game told me it would be like that.
Okay. Oh.
Ah, interesting phone holder. It's kind of cute if you have a glue gun ready. Otherwise, just rest it on something like a coffee mug.
Yeah.
This lady got a lot of tools, I've noticed. She must be a
Yeah.
crafts person.
Craft.
Craft lady.
Craft lady. Lady craft.
Gotta be careful for those craft ladies. It's like a superhero, like kind of a lame superhero.
Yeah.
Spider-Man versus craft lady. What is happening? What are we making?
For your wire and to storage your wire.
That's awesome.
Wow.
I like it.
Nice. Nice.
Archie5
Right?
approved.
Yeah. Definitely.
I want to make that actually. That looks awesome. And it has the plug in it and everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
Need to test it, right?
Yes, please. Okay, so we have another bottle
And a tube.
and a 2B. Or not 2B. Yep. Looks good.
Okay, to recycle all your bottles.
Yeah,
Right?
you have to prepare your bottles.
Yeah. Okay, that kind of was clever. And this one, wow. I kind of like it.
I kind of like
Not
it too.
gonna lie. Oh, it's for your
straining your stuff.
Gross.
That's actually pretty handy because a lot of the time I don't actually own one of those.
Yeah.
So it's good to have. You know what I do to
What?
strain pasta? I just get a plate and I put it against the
Okay.
pot and I put it over the sink.
But were you throwing this in the trash after?
The plate?
No, not the plate, the pasta which were left.
I eat it.
No, it's about about when some food was left and you wanna get rid of water, but throw.
I thought it was like straining your pasta so that you can
no.
eat it.
I think
Okay.
so.
You could probably use it for both.
Maybe that's gonna be weird.
This is interesting.
Okay. Okay.
Looks like Stonehenge a little bit.
Do you think they did it also with the bottles?
No, it was aliens.
But did they use bottles?
Oh yeah, aliens used alien bottles, yeah.
Yeah.
What is this? Okay. This looks like an alien spaceship or something.
Kind of worked for me. Not
If you flip it upside down, it could be a cool table.
maybe. Will it be cool?
No, it could be a table.
It's gonna be a table for sure. So it's just a flower pot, right?
Oh, flower pot. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. What?
Yeah.
What is? Why are we coloring it like that? That doesn't look good. Okay.
Yeah.
So-
like a cheap version, or I don't know.
Make some holes in your stuff, and now it's a,
Yeah, they show it in a bad way.
yeah,
honestly,
true. I feel like you
yeah.
could use it like that.
Yeah, but kind of they did it with this motion, but you can just close this hole
And it
handle,
goes by
and
itself.
it's gonna stop it. by itself.
Ah. Gas tank.
special.
All right, what are we making out of the gas tank?
Okay. Wow, magic.
Magic cuts, magic finger lady. Much more popular than craft lady.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is the same.
Ah, we got some toilet paper.
Okay.
Nice. Whoa, don't
Don't
throw
do
away
it.
your egg carton. No. Acrylic
Better-
dye.
Better to reuse it, right? What's the point?
I don't know actually. What is the point?
Ah, it's a chair.
It's a chair. Weird.
Word.
Really
But-
weird.
Okay.
You do what you want to do,
Yeah.
like no
Yeah.
judgment here at Archie 5.
You do.
Okay, paint your tires. I love dog.
Mm-hmm.
I love dog so much. Yay, dog. Ew.
I love dogs.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
break open your bottles in the plastic. Nice.
Yeah, but still be careful.
Yes.
And
Pour it out into a mix. Add some cement.
cement.
I'm guessing art is going to happen. I think I was right. That's dangerous art though. Imagine if the jagged edge comes out.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have to be careful.
You need to be careful. I think they just put it carefully there.
Yeah.
But
Okay, plastic bags, sealing them together.
what?
What? What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
Is it a dress?
Mom, I need a new dress.
Oh, it's a bag. Your which side?
Ah, bright side. Nice. I like it.
Oh, okay.
It's like those bags that say
Reusing.
100% recycled on them. That's an actual
Yeah.
legit 100% recycled bag.
Oh. Okay.
Plastique.
One.
All right. Confused? Is it gonna be like a flower thing? It looks like a flower thing.
Mm-hmm.
Archie, what's happening? Guys, what's happening? Tell us in the comments below what's it. Oh, it's a donut holder. Okay,
Okay, that's fine.
yeah, we got it now.
Yeah.
Old cup. I don't know why they would take off the handle there. I thought the handle was a nice little addition, but
Exactly. You can move it.
yeah, move it around easy. Ah, cute. Kind of cute.
Nice. Friend.
No!
Wow.
Get the can. Wipe off dirt.
And
Tell me what to do next with my life. 5-minute crafts. I wish they would tell me shot for shot. What should I
Yeah,
do
yeah,
with
yeah,
the
yeah,
instructions?
yeah.
Wipe off dirt. Take a shower. Drink coffee. Make a little heart. What are we doing with the heart?
Ah,
Okay, so it's nice
to
little
make cookies.
cookie shapes.
Shapes, yeah.